spoke to me like, move, bro. Like, what?
It's cheesy, magic fingers.
Never waste your time, never let you.
Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved the short jumbo passion twist. This hairstyle is gorgeous. Like, what? I'm going to be showing you guys, and I'm also going to be telling you guys a lot of tips and tricks on how to properly do this so that it turns out nice. This was my first time doing it, and it was a learning process for me, so I'm really glad to show you guys what I did and what not to do. Anyways guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment before you leave. Also check out my other videos because they are pretty nice. I understand, they are nice. Like, go and watch it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys at the end. Bye. So guys, this is my braiding pattern, basically a section of the front part. So I did a section from the back of my ear to the back of this other ear, and the back I just braided it back because I'm going to be doing crochet. I believe I have a total of 9 braids behind. But yeah, let's get started with the front. So I decided to do short passion twists today. I don't know. I feel like I've not even seen a video on short passion twist. So we're going to all try it together. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and section off your hair, and I'm doing pretty medium sections. They're not too big and they're not too small. And for my part to be more straight and crisp, I'm putting an edge control on the parting space while I part. So next thing, I'm going to show you guys how I'm actually prepping the hair, just so that you guys see exactly how to prep the hair for short passion twist, because it's not just as straightforward as when you're doing the long passion twist. So I'm taking 3 strands of the hair, and first of all, ignore my ashy hands. I just finished doing the dishes, okay guys, don't judge me. Anyways, take 3 strands of the hair and cut that in half, just right at the middle. So now you have 3 blunt ends, and you also have 3 regular ends, okay? So what we're gonna do now is actually try to interchange it. Is that the word I'm looking for? I don't know, but basically switch it so that each side of the hair that you want to use to twist has 3 blunt ends and 3 regular ends. Does that make sense? I really hope it makes sense. But yeah, just do it in a way that there are 3 blunt ends on one side and 3 regular ends on the same side. Okay, so next thing, you want to go ahead and comb the edges. I wasn't doing this at the beginning, but towards the going through the hair, like I told you guys, this was a learning process for me. So like while doing the hair, I realized that combing it would actually make it a whole lot easier to end the hair when you're twisting. Okay, so now you just want to go ahead and start braiding. This is not a braiding tutorial, but what you want to do is do a couple of braids. I believe I usually did like 3 or 4 or 5. I really don't know, I don't count. I just braid to a good amount and then I start twisting. And I've said this earlier in my previous tutorials, you do not want to twist too hard when you're doing passion twist. The only part that you can twist hard is where your natural hair is, and that's if you have coarse hair like me. So what you want to do is literally just roll the hair around each other and it will form by itself. Like, you don't have to stress, okay girls, it's really not that hard. You just make sure that you comb the ends just so that it's easy to end the passion twist since you cut it, so there are not too many blunt ends, and just twist and twist and twist. So I'm just going to repeat the same process all around the front section of my hair, and then we'll move to the back where I show you guys how to move a lot faster. Okay, so far this is what the back looks like. I'm done with half of the back and I'm going to start the other side. So I'm going to be using my crochet needle here, and you want to just put that into like underneath your braids, and hook the passion twist extension onto the crochet hook and then pull it through. You want to pull just one end of the passion twist extension, so just make sure that it looks like this. So after pulling the one end, now you have one end on each side. What you want to do now is start twisting. With this method, with the crochet method, you do not have to worry about braiding at the beginning. You just have to twist till you get to the end. So this is a lot faster because you're not trying to braid before twisting. As we all know, twisting is faster than braids. So you're not trying to braid first, and you're also not worrying about parting your hair at the back. So this method is a lot faster. That's why I always do this at the back of my head, because I don't ever put my hair up in a ponytail. But yes guys, this all you want to keep doing, just twist till you're done, and that is pretty much it. So yes guys, that's pretty much all I did to achieve this look. I just went ahead now and I added some hair rings just to, you know, jazz it up and make me look, you know, you can't talk to me like, move bro, like what? Anyways guys, ignore me. Anyway, what was I saying? I don't remember because I was just feeling myself. Oh yeah, don't forget to like this video and share with your friends. Also check out my other videos because they're pretty nice. They're actually really nice. Like seriously, you should try watching them. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.